Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Mandy. I like to talk about makeup painting, nail polish, and things happening in my real life. Today I have an update for my project, the Love My Makeup Project. So, stay tuned. Alright, Love My Makeup Project is a project I created to fill a gap in my schedule and get some use out of some items that may be neglected in my collection. The project is simple. You pick 3 items and use them 10 times. And preferably things that have been neglected and are old, or things that are new and you haven't had a chance to try. I prefer to work on something for my eyes, something for my face, and something for my lips. But you can work on anything you want. It can be hair care, body care, skin care, nail polish, perfume, whatever it is, just 3 products to work on 10 times. And if you want to join my project, you're more than welcome to. The hashtag for this project is lovemymakeupproject. So let's talk about the things I'm working on. I don't have exact numbers for you because my panning notebook is at the house I'm pet sitting at, and I'm at home. And I forgot to bring it with me. So we're going to go through this. I do know some things for sure. The first thing I know for sure is that my eye product is my eyeliner from Lottie London in the AM to PM in the shade Velvet. And there is a swatch of it. There is a deep blackened metallic purple. My goal 10 times. I have used it 10 times. I don't have to tell you the goal is 10 uses every time because that's part of the project. But I did use it 10 times and it is rolling out. The next product in the project is for my face, and for that I brought in a blush from Sephora. This is the Colorful Blush in 01, Shame on You. And it is a pretty pinky blush, which I didn't need. I am not wearing it today. I was like, I'm wearing it. No, I'm not. But it is a pretty pinky blush, and I will give you a swatch of it. I was hoping, did I say pink? It's peach. I was hoping it was pink, but I am terrible at picking out blushes apparently. So that is it again, and there is a swatch of it right in the middle of my hand, right there. So I believe I have used this 5 out of 10 times so far, so this is staying in. And then the last product I was working on was for my lips, and I dropped it. Brought in this lipstick in the shade Paleontologist, and so far I know I've worn it once. And it is not a color I am looking forward to. That is what it looks like, and I will swatch it for you. It is sort of a browny nude shade, a little bit on the orange. It is not a color that I would pick myself, but this was gifted to me, so I am trying it out to see if I like it. The one time I did wear it, I wore it over a dark lip liner, same lip liner I'm wearing today, and it turned out quite nice. It was wearable for me. But yeah, I'm trying to get my uses on that to see if I like it or if I'm going to pass it on. So one use out of that. And then I'm bringing in a new eye product, and I'm bringing in another eyeliner because I find I have a few and I am not using them as much as I should. So I want to get through all of them and get some use out of them before they dry up and go bad. So this one is called the Divine Calo Kajal pencil, and I believe the company is Tennis, and that is what it looks like. It is a black retractable gel pencil. I got it from an Ipsy, and it is a really creamy formula. There it is there. So you can see up there is the one from Lottie London in Velvet, and then that is very black gel down there. So I'm looking forward to using this. I haven't used a black liner in a while and not a gel liner like this. The only thing is it is not sharpenable. It doesn't have a built-in sharpener. So we'll see how we can use it. But yep, that is what I'm bringing in. So that is everything for today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. It means a lot to me and it makes me happy. You just hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to be notified when I upload my videos, you can click the little bell icon right next to it to be notified. And until my next video, take care of yourselves, stay true to you, and you'll see me later. Bye.